In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to generate tags for your TikTok videos. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech. And how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, this is definitely going to cheer you up if you have a TikTok account and you are a creator, because it's not just a video that you create and upload on TikTok. It has to have proper tags, proper titles, and only then you get the views, and only then you start getting famous. So in order for you to create effective tags for your videos to be discoverable and go viral, this is what you need to do. Get onto a website called rapidtags.io, click on use tag generator, you get directed to this page. Then you click on TikTok tag generator, and then you get directed to this page for the TikTok tag generator, and then you paste your TikTok video title, click on the search button, or you click on the enter button, and you get all your tags out here. You could just copy these tags and use it. You could use this website or application on your phone so that it is easier for you to just simply copy and paste it in the TikTok app. So you could give it a try and let me know through the comments, or you could even send me an email if this works for you. Take care, my friend.